Hello, and welcome to Monologue with Leo, the podcast where we don't just learn to speak English, we learn to think in English. I'm Leo, your host and guide, and this is part one of a series designed to reshape how you approach this beautiful, messy, and wonderfully expressive language. If you've ever felt stuck, translating word by word from your native tongue, if you've struggled to form sentences naturally in conversation, or if you just want to feel more at home in English, you're in the right place. This isn't about memorizing rules, it's about building a new mindset. Let's begin. I want you to imagine something for a moment. Think of your favorite song, the one you know by heart. When you hear it, you don't dissect it. You don't analyze the grammar of the lyrics or translate the melody. You feel it. You absorb it. You even anticipate the next note before it plays. That's fluency. That's what we're after. But how do we get there with a language? The answer is simpler than you might think, and yet it requires a fundamental shift. You must start having silent conversations with yourself in English. Yes, you heard me right. Your first and most important practice partner is you. From the moment you wake up, I want you to begin narrating your thoughts in English. Simple things. It's morning. The room is warm. I need to open the window. The sky looks gray today. I smell coffee. These aren't complex sentences, but they are real, immediate, and connected to your senses. This practice does something remarkable. It bypasses the translation highway in your brain and starts building a direct back road, a dirt path that goes straight from experience to English. At first, it will feel slow, unnatural. You'll hit vocabulary walls. That's fine. When you don't know a word, you paraphrase. You describe it. If you don't know the word for blinds, you think, the thing on the window that goes up and down. This act of circumlocution is not failure. It is a superpower. It's what native speakers do all the time when a word escapes them. You are training your brain to live inside English, not just visit it. Now let's talk about input, but not just any input. You must become a conscious consumer of the language. Listen to English not only for content, but for music. Listen to how sentences rise and fall, what we call intonation. The question, "You're coming?" versus the statement, "You're coming," sound completely different. That difference is emotion. That difference is meaning. Watch a short clip from a movie or show you love, but with this new mission. Shadow one line, just one. Pause. Repeat it aloud. Try to match not just the words, but the rhythm, the tone, the mouth movement of the speaker. This is how you steal the natural cadence of the language. Your mouth needs muscle memory. Your tongue needs to learn new dances. This physical practice is non-negotiable. And here's a crucial point. Embrace the awkward. The feeling of talking to yourself in the shower, the slight silliness of repeating a dramatic line from a film, that discomfort is the feeling of growth. Perfectionism is the enemy of progress. You will make errors, beautiful, helpful, glorious errors. Those errors are data. They tell you what to work on next. If you constantly think, "I must be perfect before I speak," you have already lost. The goal is not to sound like a BBC newsreader next week. The goal is to communicate a thought, a feeling, an idea today in whatever English you have at your disposal. So, your mission for this week, should you choose to accept it, and I deeply hope you do, has two parts. First, the internal monologue. 10 minutes a day. Describe your surroundings, your plan for the day, your mood, all in simple English inside your mind. Second, the shadowing. 1 minute a day. Find a speaker you like. It could be a podcaster, a YouTube presenter, a fictional character, and mimic one sentence until it feels a part of you. That's all. Consistency trumps intensity every single time. Language is not a fortress to be stormed. It is a garden to be tended. You plant a seed today. You water it tomorrow. Some days you'll just sit with it. And one day you'll find that without realizing it, a thought has bloomed fully formed in English. That moment, that quiet, unremarkable moment, is a miracle. It means the language is no longer out there, it's in here. You're building a home for yourself in English, brick by daily brick. Thank you for joining me for this first part of the journey. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into the power of patterns, how to use the common structures of English as your scaffolding. Until then, start the conversation with yourself. I'm Leo, and this has been Monologue. Keep thinking, keep speaking, and I'll meet you right back here next time.